Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox, so let's start. First go to video description and download VirtualBox. Second go to video description and download Ubuntu ISO. Download later, install VirtualBox on your system. After complete VirtualBox installation, open it. Now click on New. Configure your Ubuntu system. Now click on Settings. Go to Storage, click on Empty and select your downloaded Ubuntu ISO file. Now simply click on Start. If you got this error, close your VirtualBox. Go to where you installed your VirtualBox. Open Drivers folder. Go to Boxup. Right-click on Boxup file and install it. Open your command prompt. Type SC start Boxup and hit enter. Now open your VirtualBox and try to start your machine. Select Install Ubuntu and hit enter. Fill your Ubuntu machine's basic information and simply click on Next. Now you successfully installed Ubuntu on your VirtualBox.
I